In the first episode of this $10,000 clipping challenge, we made $3,000, which is absolutely insane. And you can watch this video up here. Now, it's been 30 days since the last update on May 11th. Today is June 12th. And in this video, I'm going to show you every single page that I'm running, how many videos we posted, what type of struggles we faced, and of course, how much money do we actually make. Without further ado, grab some coffee, grab a notebook, and let's jump right into it. Alright, so let's start with all of the opportunities that we are clipping for now. We are still clipping for Hustle Phil. We also started clipping for Mickey Mays and Poly Market, which is an opportunity which is on our Discord server. And also, if you stick until the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a secret website where you can find many more opportunities for music clipping, logo clipping, movie clipping for really good RPMs, like $2 or $3 RPMs, and these opportunities you will not find on whop. Alright, so let's start off with Hustle Phil and how much money do we actually make. Let's jump into my computer and let me show you. Alright guys, so this is our Hustle Phil page, and let me show you what have we done in this whole month with this page. And honestly, nothing great, but let me show you everything. So we stopped posting on May 5th because one of the guys who was posting on this page, he actually couldn't work anymore and couldn't post, so I had to find a new guy, and there was just a big trouble. Yeah, we started posting back again on May 20th. As you can see, May 5th was the last post. May 20th we started posting again, and since May 20th we have gotten all of these views, which is not great. Every single one of these views is getting paid 50 cents per 1,000 views, but you have to get at least 4,000 views in the video to get minimum payout. This is the only video with the 4,000 views that has gotten $1.50 per 1,000 views because it's a talking head clip, and I am pushing my editors to really start posting these videos more.
27 years old, and the first book I bought was the Rosa Bronson Expedition. That was the first book.
Now, as you can see, the video is not the best. It could be edited way better. So I'm looking for editors who could edit way better. These are the views we have gotten. You will see on the screen the amount of views we have collected. And now let me actually show you how much money we have earned in the last month. Let's go over to our whop and let's start with the talking head clips. Let's click on my submissions, and as you can see, we have only gotten one video, talking head clip with 4,000 views. We got $5 from this one, and that's the only one. I know, should have posted more, but you know, not as easy as it sounds. So here are the rest of the videos, the lifestyle videos. You can see every single one of them posted June 3rd, May 29th. And as you can see, the page has started flopping because the video style that was working in the previous video where we made $3,000 just doesn't work anymore. And that's a common thing you're gonna see across many opportunities and many trends on Instagram. Something starts working and then it just stops working. You have to capitalize on the trend, and if you don't, well then you're out. Don't make any money. Yeah, and last video made $3,000, and in this video it seems to be only like $100 or something like that from Hustle Phil. So you're gonna see on the screen the total amount of money we have earned. Honestly, not so great. The page has kind of flopped, but we are trying many different new strategies. So in the next part, in part 3, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna have way better results than we had in this episode. Yo guys, Serials from the future. I wanted to give a quick announcement that for the first time I'm finally opening my one-on-one coaching, and I'm gonna be taking 5 people for exclusive 6-week bootcamp where you're gonna be able to learn where to find the best clipping opportunities, learn how to edit videos that are guaranteed to go viral, and also get access to private clip it opportunities that are not available to public. If you want to learn that and get access to coaches and other successful clippers that have earned over $10,000 clipping already, head over to the description below, serios.com, and you can apply for my one-on-one coaching. And see you inside, guys. Let's get back to the video. So the next opportunity we started to post for was the one and only Mickey Mays. The opportunity dropped on June 1st. We started posting on June 4th. And I actually had an account which I was posting on before where I posted like 10 posts. None of them hit over 3,000 views. So I decided to just use that account because it's already aged and there is no point for me to make a brand new account. Honestly, the editor on this page is doing an amazing work, but the videos are still not blowing up. And I'm pretty sure that the reason for that is that the page has been sitting on the shelf collecting dust for many months, and it needs to be warmed up again. It doesn't matter if you just made a brand new account or if you are starting back up an account that you already had before. Your first couple of posts most likely are going to flop because you just need to warm up the account. Now, it doesn't mean you have to post bad posts at start, but still be aware that there is that warm up period that must happen for every account. Alright guys, so this is our Mickey Mays account, and as you can see, the opportunity started back up again on June 1st. We started posting on June 4th. right here. Since then, honestly, the account has not been doing that well. If we go to Reels, as you can see, we barely started hitting over 2,000 views, and 2,000 views is the minimum views you have to get paid for Mickey Maze. Yeah, barely something started to happen, and I think it's because this account was not doing anything for many months. It was just sitting collecting dust, and every time when you start a new account, you need to warm it up. Your first 7 posts might go to shit simply because the account is new and it needs to be warmed up. And now it doesn't mean you have to post bad posts just to get over the warm-up phase. Post good posts, but if they don't blow up, don't be too sad about it. Just keep posting and warm the account up, and that's what I did here. And even if your account already has followers and if it's been sitting for a while, the same rule still applies. You still need to go ahead and warm it up, and your first couple of posts might not do good because the account has been inactive for a while. And this is exactly what happened on this page. As you see, first post only got like 200, 300 views. When I posted them, I was like, what the f is going on? But now finally, after about 10 posts and 10 days of posting, the account is finally starting to pick up, and we got our first 3,000 views in a video. This video is actually really good, and I'm also gonna leave all these videos so you can watch them in full. I just can't play them on YouTube because they have copyrighted music, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can watch these videos and see how well they are edited. And honestly, the Mickey Maze editor is goated. So in total, we have gotten this many views for Mickey Maze, and how much have we made? Drum roll, please. We have made about $4 in total. Yeah, it's not great, but hey, part 3, I am pretty sure this is gonna be like $100 minimum. You just gotta keep posting, and I know many people would have given up at this point. I'm not gonna give up until I make at least $1,000 from Mickey Maze. I'm gonna keep pushing, and that's just what you gotta remember. When posting on social media, consistency and not giving up is honestly gonna be your best friend. Even if the videos are not the best quality, consistency will always outperform. Alright guys, as promised, I'm gonna show you a brand new website where you can find way more clipping deals for free. All you gotta do is type startclipit.com, just like this, and log in with your Discord, and boom, once you're inside, you can click on campaigns and you can see all of the active campaigns. They have usually way more campaigns. Currently there's only 2. You can click on your profile, link account. Right here you can link your TikTok, YouTube, you can add your PayPal email address to get paid. Super simple, super easy. Link is gonna be in the description. Alright, so the last but not least is this opportunity, which is hosted on our Discord server, Polymarket. When we dropped this opportunity, we made it free for the public for 2 weeks, and anybody could join. Now it is closed and you have to pay an entrance fee to get inside. You can check more information on our Discord server. This opportunity is goated because the RPM is $1 per 1,000 views, and there are many people printing a bag right there. I'm just fumbling it. Let's jump into my computer and let me show you what I mean. Alright guys, so this is my account for Polymarket. Now if we scroll below, you see that I have been posting political clips here. This is the same account that I was doing the edits of NBA players on this video, $315 from one TikTok video, this YouTube video. And since this is a general account, let's just start posting Polymarket clips, right? Might have not been the best idea because, as I said, every time you switch a niche on an account, you can do it on TikTok pretty easily, but you have to understand that your first 5 to 7 posts could flop because it takes time for your account to get adopted to the new niche and for the algorithm to start pushing your videos to that specific audience. Now we started posting Polymarket clips in the political niche about Donald Trump and politics, which seemed to not be doing that well, and we figured out that it actually makes more sense, and videos about celebrities, musicians, and some drama about celebrities go way more viral. So we switched to that, and last 3 posts we made about BTS right here, which should blow up after this niche is warmed up a little bit more. We only posted 3 videos. I guess after we post 7 videos, I hope we should hit our first 10,000 views minimum, because this is going super viral for other people in the Polymarket server, but we're gonna see. So we started posting on June 1st right here, and in total we have generated this many views. Not doing super good. So when we go into Discord and I do a lookup how much money I've made on this opportunity, we have gotten 10,100 views, which equals $10.10. Another fumbled bag. People in here are printing a lot of money. I just can't seem to wrap my head around it. Maybe I'm slow, but I'm sure in part 3 we are gonna be eating hard from this. Yeah, I'm not gonna quit on this. I'm gonna keep posting consistently. Consistency is the main thing. 17 videos posted, none of them viral. It. Let's keep going. Alright guys, to wrap up the video, let's calculate the current stats for this challenge. In the first episode we generated $3,048, of which we spent $280 on editors. That leaves us with $2,768 profit in the first episode. Good. Now, the second episode has shattered my enthusiasm a little bit, since we actually have lost money and gone negative. We made $199 from Hustle Phil clipping, $4 from Mickey Mays clipping, and $11 from Polymarket clipping, which is $214 generated in total, but after editor expenses, the story doesn't look as bright. We spent $130 on editors for Polymarket, $95 for editors on Mickey Mays, and $150 for editors on Hustle Phil, which is $375 total spent on editors. So in total, our profit for part 2 in this challenge is minus $161. So now the total challenge stats have actually gone down from $2,768 to minus the $161, which we have gone negative in this part, and that leaves us with $2,607 in our current balance. Well, in business there's always ups and downs, so let's hope that part 3 is gonna bless us better. Peace out.